Today I'm sharing with you another Stitch Fix unboxing. Every time I check out, they keep waiving my styling fee, so I keep ordering new boxes. Some of these have just been duds lately and just nothing that I'm interested in or something that seems really repetitive. So when they waive the styling fee, I think I have nothing to lose. So I'll just go ahead and order another one and see if they send me anything fun this next time. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this Stitch Fix together. Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service where you do pay a $20 styling fee, and anything that you purchase from the Fix does go toward that styling fee. I'll also put a referral code down in the description box for you guys. It's a link you can click on to get $25 off your first box if you're interested in checking it out. You'll also get a note from your stylist, and it looks like I still have Kirsten's. Oh, wow. Just wait till I tell you the amount of this box. You also get a pre-labeled package to send anything back that you don't want. So I'm gonna reserve this to the side, read my note from my stylist, try everything on the way that she suggests it, and then tell you the price of everything. So this is the bundle. It's a very thin bundle. I did remember from the preview, I think I kept a pair of shorts and a top, some navy, pink, and white. So let's see what it all is. So the first thing is this pink top, the Market & Spruce Sallie Linen Blend Embroidery Tank Dark Pink size medium. So it looks like it's got some embroidery down at the bottom. I do love linen for spring and summer. And the next thing is from Market & Spruce, the Manni Drawstring Linen Blend Tank in navy size medium. So another linen blend. I love the material so far. And then something from RAINN, the Eyelet Sleeveless Knit Tank Top Off-White size medium. So I like this eyelet too. Oh gosh, this feels soft, whatever it is. So this is from We Wonder, the Performaluxe 4-inch pull-on short in navy size medium. So I got some of these Stitch Fix Performaluxe pants before my Washington, D.C. trips. It was that Washington, D.C. themed fix that I had requested. If you saw it, I kept those pants that were in the Performaluxe because I love the material. It was so good. So we'll see what these feel like. And then the last thing is in this really pretty blue color. It is from Market & Spruce, Yolanda wide leg pants, blue size medium. So this feels like that cotton gauze material. So we'll see. It looks like it's going to be a cropped pull-on style. I love that. So let me try all this on and tell you the price and give you my final thoughts about everything. Here's the first look. This is that Daniel RAINN top. I really like this sheer look to the top of it. I love this eyelet detail. It's a really good length. It's right at the hip. It's lined because of that eyelet detail. It feels good. I like this material. These are the Performaluxe shorts. They feel really nice. They have the side pockets. There's a seaming in the front, pull-on style, drawstring. Love the length. I love a 4 or a 5-inch inseam on a short. So I love this whole look. She had suggested to pair this with the shorts and then the pink linen blend top with the shorts. So I'll show you that look next. So this top is the Daniel RAINN. It's $58. The shorts are from We Wonder. They are $45. And then let me try that pink linen blend top on with these shorts. Up next is the shorts with this pink top. It's that linen blend. I love linen blend. It is kind of doing something funny right here, gapping, but I think I can just use a little bit of fashion tape and tape that down, and it's not going to do that because it's got room. It's not like it's gapping because it doesn't have any room. It's just really laying weird in between the two buttons. I love the scallop detail at the bottom, and this embroidery is so cute and different. I love this pink with this navy. I think it's a really good combo, a pop of color with this neutral navy, and I like the length of this. I think this is a good top as well. So the top is from Market & Spruce, and this one is $45 as well. Okay, so these are the last two items, and I probably wouldn't put these together because I just don't think I like this look together. I would probably pair this top maybe with white bottoms. I think that would be a good look, or light denim possibly. And then I'd have to figure out how to wear these pants, but I don't think I like this look together. So this top, I think is a linen blend top. It's got a tie, so you can drawstring this, give it a little bit more of a fitted waistline, and it has like a polo style collar, button front, and they are functioning buttons. And I like the length of this one as well. And then these are just pull-on pants. They're cotton gauze, super comfortable. I love this material for summer just because on those days I don't want to wear shorts, but I want to be cool at the same time, these are great for that. So side pockets, just to pull on, elastic style, and they're probably supposed to be more cropped, but they're almost at that ankle length, but just slightly cropped for me. But I like this color. So this top is from Market and Spruce. It's $49. The bottoms are from Market and Spruce, and they are $65. So altogether, these 5 items are $262. So I'm grandfathered into, if you buy 5 or more items, you get the 25% off. I think for new customers, it's 20%, but I still do get the 25% off. So that would take $65.50 off, leaving the total $196.50. I didn't have a styling fee, so they're not taking that off because it was waived, so I could get it back to back. So this is under $200. It has been quite some time since I have gotten a fix under $200, I think. So not a bad price if I got all 5 items. And I noticed when I was unboxing it and I saw all the Market and Spruce, I knew that was going to be about a $40 to a $50 price point. So I figured this might be a little bit more reasonable. These are the most expensive thing at $65, which is kind of hard because I did just pick up a pair of royal blue pants from Quince. They are a pant style, and they had like a drawstring. They're a little bit of a darker blue than these. I don't know if I need another pair so similar to it for $65. But I do really like everything from this box. I just have to kind of decide, don't want to get everything. But here's the thing. If I only wanted the other 4 things and didn't keep these are $65. And if I kept everything, the discount is $65.50. So basically, if I only kept 4 items and sent these back, I'm paying the same amount as if I just kept these. So, you know, Stitch Fix does their math where it makes it look really good to get all 5 items. That pink top, I really like that. I think I need to just kind of fix where that second and third button is somehow. Just tape it down a little bit with some fashion tape. But that was really pretty. I liked the length of it. The color of it was really pretty, that pop of color. The material was so good with that linen blend. It was a soft linen blend. And I liked that embroidery. It was a little bit different. That white top from the Eyelet top from RAINN, I really liked it. It was soft. I love that it was lined. And I just thought it was really cute. I liked it. Those We Wonder shorts were so comfortable. So that was more casual than more dressy. So that was really good. And then this top, I do like this top. I like the drawstring on this. I think this one is one I actually had saved. And I think that pink linen blend top I had saved. And I think the RAINN I might have had saved. So she picked at least 3 of the things I had saved, I know. And I do like these pants. They're very comfortable. They feel really nice. I know I have one so similar to it, but it's a little bit darker. It is like a full length pant. And if I just took these back, I'm basically giving them back to them because if I kept all of them, these would be virtually free. What do you guys think? Do you do the Stitch Fix math like I do and keep 5 items just so you can get 1 free? So I think this is a good fix. I think this is a 5 for 5. I would hope that you would consider hitting that subscribe button because I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. And if you enjoyed this video, then please hit that like button as well. Until next time, have a wonderful day.